Hi, very good morning. I am Dr. Vikas Jain. I am Director and Senior Consultant, Department of Urology and Kidney Transplant from Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Gurugram. Today, I am going to tell you about donor with isolated medical abnormalities. We always talk about healthy donors, ideal donors, the donors who do not have any medical problems. These are the usual persons who safely can donate their own organs, kidneys to their near or dear ones. But at times when we are searching for a donor in the family, we find that during the evaluation of the donor for the first time, they are found to have certain medical abnormalities. For example, they have got hypertension. For example, they have got a small stone in the kidney, some pus coming in the urine. So these are the isolated medical abnormalities. Can these people donate is the normal question that I ask myself also, and usually the patient also asks us. So to elaborate on this, I'll tell you certain things. So these people can donate their kidney and can still stay a normal life. So who are these patients? There is a subset of patients who can donate. Not all the hypertensive donors can donate their kidneys to their near or dear ones. Not all the donors with the stone can donate their kidneys to their relatives. So who are the people who can donate safely without having any problems throughout their life? So if I talk about the hypertension, a hypertensive donor can donate his kidney to his near or dear one if the hypertension is very well controlled by one drug. So this is the guideline that we use in our clinical practice. So a donor who is diagnosed to have hypertension during the donor evaluation, if he does not have any proteinuria, the hypertension is very well controlled by one drug, and he agrees for a lifelong follow-up, he can also donate his kidney to his near and dear one with these things in mind. Suppose on evaluation we find that the donor has got a small stone in one of the kidneys. These people can also donate their kidneys to their relatives, but some things have to be made sure before the donation happens. What are these things? Number one, they should not have any urinary tract infection. This is the first time that they have got a stone, and the stone can be removed before donation and after donation, and they should not have any underlying medical metabolic abnormalities of recurrent stone formation. If these guidelines are met with and the patient does not have any other problems and is otherwise fit to donate, can definitely donate even if he has got a small kidney stone. So these are some of the abnormalities which are encountered during donor evaluation, and these guidelines and principle in mind, and without any harm to the donor throughout his life after the donation, we can definitely go ahead for donation in these patients with isolated medical abnormalities like hypertension or stone disease. Thank you so much.